Hello, here are my index cards. Hello, my name is Tara Brown and I'm here today in order to demonstrate to my fellow classmates and any other viewers instructions that include how to make an origami paper balloon. To begin, I'll also be informing the audience a bit about the history concerning the art of origami. And I'll also be listing 3 fun facts regarding the paper craft. My information concerning the history and facts will come from PBS.org's independent lens program called Between the Folds, where Joseph Wu writes a brief history concerning the hobby. So let's unfold the facts. If one were to research the topic or the art of origami or paper folding, it would be very difficult for them to be able to find any specific time frame concerning its origination. This is true because the art itself is made of a material or paper that can dissolve, burn, or biodegrade very quickly, thus leaving nearly no historical artifact traces in existence. I can contribute, however, that Japan was initially introduced to the art by way of China centuries ago, and also these 3 fun facts. 1. The word origami comes from the Japanese words oru, meaning to fold, and kami, meaning paper. 2. Traditional origami is generally characterized by folding patterns that have been handed down orally from generation to generation. And 3. Europe and Spain also have their own traditions of paper folding that date back to the 12th centuries. Spain is called pajarita. Now, moving forward, since we've learned a bit about the art itself, I'm going to demonstrate to the audience instructions on how to make an origami paper balloon. I'll also be readjusting the camera so that you can see me, or see my folding techniques. To begin, we'll need the following materials. This is what the balloon will look like, and they're a lot of fun. I learned this as a child. You'll need 1 piece of construction paper and a pair of scissors, or a regular piece of paper is okay. I will be using a big version of paper so that you can see the folding on the table and understand the process. So let's start. Okay. Here you have your paper, and the first step you're going to do is turn this rectangle into a square. So we're going to fold down, and a lot of people have done this, down into a triangle, and press on the creases so that one end of the paper of the rectangle is touching the base, like so. Next, you're going to trim off the excess paper right at the line that you formed with your scissors, because what you want to form is a perfect square. And you would be doing this on regular construction paper, but as I said, I'm just using a model version so that you can get the steps, because there are a few and it does take a little bit of time. Here you have excess paper, and you can just put it to the side with your scissors now and unfold, and you have a perfect square. So what you're going to do with the square is you're going to now fold it over into a rectangle. Like so. Now that you have a rectangle, you're going to fold it into a 4-layered square, like so. And press down to crease. So what you have is a smaller perfect square. Now what you do is, as you can see, this 4 layers, they form a pocket, the first 2 layers. So you'll put your hand into the pocket and push it upwards so that a sort of triangle cone forms. And you'll now, into the pocket and down. Press down so that you have, now what you have is a triangle. Like so. And you'll turn it around on this 4-layered square, open the pocket, and push down. Like so. So you have a triangle on the other side. So now you have this triangle. And what you're going to do with these flaps is take one end of each of the flaps and pull it up toward the top point of the bigger triangle. So out and up so that they touch and fold. Like so. Same thing. Out, up, and fold. And do it to the other side as well of the triangle. Out, up, fold. Your paper shouldn't tear because you'll have a normal size paper. So what you should have is a diamond shape. And now what you do on these sides, each side of the diamonds, is you should notice that there's a closed end of the diamond and there's also an open end of the diamond. And what you'll be doing is taking each end, like you did with the triangle, with the 4 flaps, and folding it inward to where it touches this line that you formed. Almost into small triangles. Like so. And to the other side as well. And press down. Like so. So that your diamond has now formed into some other type of geometric shape. And what you should also notice for the next step is that 4 flaps from the former diamond are hanging. And also that these little pockets that you formed in these triangles can now hold these flaps. So what you'll do is you'll take these flaps and you'll push them down into the pockets that have formed from the triangle. Like so. Like so. And you'll, like I said, you have a closed end of this shape and an open end of this shape. And what you would do for the last step of your balloon is you would blow into this open end. Like so. But mine is too big to blow up. Yours, however, should blow up and look like this. Because when this is closed, it's also looks like this. It's the same thing. And they're a lot of fun. You can bounce them around. And they're a lot of fun to play with. And, you know, I hope you have a good time with them. So I look forward to your demonstration speeches as well. I hope that you understood my instructions. And have a great day.